Hi, I'm Tori, and today I will be showing you how to use the drawing tools on SCM to mark up your drawings, search through the drawings, and also link things such as RFIs to the drawings in certain areas. So here is a cheat sheet about all the tools that you're able to use in the SCM drawing markups area. I'll be showing you how to use all of these tools. So first, you need to go to your project. Scroll down to the project library and click drawings. Now there will be a drawing number over here, but what you want to click on to be able to access the markup and editing area is over here in attachments. You're going to click on the attachment, and this will take you to your drawing editing area. So to start, we have the View tab. This is just the thumbnails area where if you have more than one drawing in this set, you will have options of all the thumbnails. Here you can magnify zoom. To magnify zoom, you need to hold down your mouse and drag it anywhere that you would like. This is the zoom in area. So you will click and drag and it will zoom into that exact area. To be able to unzoom from this, it's pretty simple. You just need to scroll down to zoom out. So the next thing in this View tab, if we scroll up, is the Rotate Document. This will rotate all of your thumbnails. And this right here is the rotate page. This will just rotate the one page. Here we have these filters. You can use this to be able to see different things better. I'm going to zoom in to show you. So you're able to sharpen it. The line width you are able to mess with, but I will say it can get really tricky and mess up what the architects were trying to imply with these different line weights. And then the gamma is just going to turn up the color a little bit or blend it in. This is just to be able to see the lines better if you have a question and you want to get really in detail with the drawings. So next, we can go to the Search tab. This, you're going to be able to search specific words in the document. When you search a specific word, I'm going to search unfinished. It's going to show you the results right here. And if you have multiple results within multiple pages, this can bring you to the pages by you clicking on it. You can also search in just the terms or search in the text markups. If there are lots of markups and you only want to search for a specific word that's in a markup, you're able to unclick this in this and you'll be able to just search the text in the markups. So you can definitely play around with it and it's really helpful. You can also click here and you can search in the document, in the comments, just different annotations, in redactions, or in the signatures. Over here, this will help you search different things, such as you can match the case. Here is the whole word. You can say begins with a un for unfinished. You can do ends with and then wildcards, and then search within a certain proximity. So if you want to just search this area, it will search that area for a word. The search can be very helpful for certain project managers that are just trying to find very specific things within a huge document of drawings. So next, we have Annotate. So here you have your annotations and any annotations for reviews. You're also able to edit these, load them, and save them. Same for here as well. Load them, show all, hide all, merge them. Here are the different annotations that you can create. You just need to click on it. It'll give you the line width over here, the opacity, and if you want to include in the burn document, you're able to. And you're just going to draw it. You need to click and hold until then you will release when you want to drop it, and then you can move it around. And then over here are your layers, so you can layer it all the way down if there are multiple annotations on top of it, move it backward, move it forward, etc. You can also delete it up here. You're able to strike through different annotations. You can text hyperlink and stamp annotation. Then you can add different image stamp annotations, such as a check mark. Here you're also able to add text. So you can just create a text box, type what you need, and then you'll be able to move it out. And then you can move it around. Here you're going to be able to change the font style, options, border color, fill color to what you need to show the document the best and show your annotation. Then you can always delete it. Then if you don't want to see the annotations anymore, you can take that away. If you don't want to see these thumbnails anymore, you're going to have to go back to the view and click the thumbnails again. You can scroll down. Here we have the select text. So you're able to select this. You can copy and paste it to anywhere that you need to, which is really helpful. And then once you select the text, you're able to highlight it, redact it, link it to something, or strike through it. The hand down here just lets you pan throughout the image, which is very helpful. This is just the zoom out and zoom in, which is, again, very helpful because I've noticed that when you're in view and you do a rectangle zoom, you can tend to get stuck. So down here, it's very helpful to zoom in and zoom out. Here, you can fit the content to the screen, or you can make it full screen. Now, beware when you do make it full screen, it's a little hard to get to your tools up here. Lastly, and probably the most important part, is the link to SCM record. So here you're able to link a feature, which can be any of these features listed here. Most usually you're going to use the RFIs, and you're going to choose what RFI. These are going to be the RFIs within the project. You can choose it, and then you're able to link. So the link has been added, and you're able to move it to wherever you need to put the link. Then wherever you put your RFI, you're able to change the size of this as well. So whenever people click on it, they'll be able to open the SCM record. And be straight at the RFI. And that is all I have to show you about using the SCM drawing tools. I hope this was helpful.